Good day, students, and welcome back to Computer Practice with Mr. H. In this particular activity and tutorial, I just want to focus on one particular thing. I'm sure you guys can complete the rest. The rest are very simple, but there's one particular question here that I would like to draw your attention to. Display the coin image in the second column stacked and scaled in units of 100,000. The units of 100,000 isn't actually that important because it's going to be scaled anyway or stacked anyway. So I want to show you how to insert a picture into a graph, like in this one, and how to manipulate it. So basically, what you do is I'm going to show you two ways that you can do that. So if you go if you go and open your document, I'm going to use this bar over here, and I'm going to use this bar over here. Please note that if I click once on a particular bar, all the bars get selected. But if I click again on a particular bar, only that specific one gets selected. Alright, so this particular one I want to manipulate so that it becomes or changes to coins. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to now add an image of a coin to this particular bar. Now, what I'm going to do is I can either right click and go to Fill, or I can go to Format or Design, Format, and change the shape fill from here and insert a picture. All right. If I decide to insert a picture, I will click from File and then go to where the picture has been saved. I've saved my picture in the Power Break Power Break video activities, data files. There's the coin. So if you are looking for it, that's where you're going to find it. And then I'm going to insert, click on the coin, insert, and then the coin gets inserted. All right. But this particular coin is stretched. So how do I stack the coin? Very simple. I right click on this particular bar, and then I'm going to format my data point. I want to format my data point so that I can get this pane over here. Now this pane, if I click on the first bucket over there, I will have more options. Now, if I activated my format data point in the beginning, I would have been able to insert the picture from here as well. But as you can see, picture and text to fill is selected. That's good. So if I scroll down a little bit more, I will see that stretch is currently activated, and I want to change that to stacked. And that's how you can stack the coins. All right. So basically, and if you want to scale it, here is the units that you can scale it with. All right, that 100,000 that we talked about earlier. But as you noticed, if you chose stack, it will stack anyway. But the difference between stack and stacked units, you can see that one of the coins is kind of pushed out, and if I click on stack, you can slightly see that coin that came back. All right, so what is the other way that you would have done it if you don't have the coin picture saved on your system or on your PC? Then you could have just chosen it from online pictures. For example, you just make sure that you select the bar, right click, fill, picture, Bing image search, type in what you are looking for. In this case, it's a coin, could be anything. Click on search. Choose the coin that you like, or any picture that you like. Paste. Insert. And there it is. Make sure that you select picture and texture fill, because say for example it's automatic, you're not going to see anything, so make sure that it's picture so that you can see the picture that you chose. And then you just go down and select stacked. Alright, so that is in a nutshell how to manipulate or how to insert a stacked picture into a graph or a bar of a graph. So thank you students so much for watching, and join me in another tutorial where we are going to discuss dates and time calculations. Thank you for watching.